At Toucan, we make security easy. Introducing the new Toucan Wireless Security Camera S4 with accurate PIR motion detection. The 2K Quad HD resolution and the wide view angle ensure comprehensive coverage, allowing you to see everything, even in hard-to-reach areas. The built-in rechargeable battery allows wire-free easy setup almost anywhere. Night vision allows clear recordings and motion detection in low-light conditions. The IP56 rated weather-resistant casing protects the device from adverse weather conditions. Use two-way talk through the Toucan app to speak and listen through your camera remotely. A free 24-hour video history allows to review the events of the day without subscriptions required. Works with Alexa, Echo Show devices, and Google Home. Customizable motion detection zones help you filter out real alerts from unwanted traffic. Use the siren alarm and call 911 features to scare intruders away and get help quickly when you are in an emergency situation.
Stop. We're calling the police.
With the Toucan Wireless Security Camera S4, home security has never been easier. Protecting your home both inside and out.